Elite Mold was founded over 40 years ago with a focus on quality and craftsmanship. And that mentality has carried over to what we are today, an innovative and state-of-the-art tool shop. What makes Elite different is our people. We have decades of experience, and that innovation and commitment to quality and craftsmanship makes us different from a lot of shops that are out there today.
We're able to take from prototype design stage all the way up to production, so we can support any industry in any way possible.
We help the customers from the very beginning with 3D DLS printing. Then we can take them into prototype tooling, low volume bridge tooling, all the way into high volume production tooling with our sister company. So we really cover everything from start, early development, all the way to high volume production. So we're a one-stop shop.
We have our own in-house injection molding department because it allows us to really test and validate our tools and ensure that our customers are getting the high quality products that they deserve.
We have all of our resources under one roof. We have design, machining, additive, EDM, molding, quality. Our processes work together very efficiently. That stems from great communication from all of our departments. Customers choose to work with us, I think, because of our reputation. We communicate very well with them. We have a great team behind us. We don't hide behind excuses, and we get it done.
We had an OEM customer reach out to us where they needed to bring 16 tools to the market within a 6-week timeline. We built the molds, qualified them, started running bridge low volume production, and also supported by providing our designs that could actually be built for production intent molds as well. And they seamlessly transition those parts into production where these are used on the product still to this day. By utilizing some of the new technologies, we're able to grow and offer new services to our customers that they never thought was imaginable just a few years ago.
Additive manufacturing, subtractive manufacturing is changing our industry. We're on the forefront of this technology.
We're able to take any design from the proof of concept all the way up to production, and that ability will allow us to grow and support localized manufacturing here in the United States.